What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to go through the Overwatch quick release saddlebags. I love the way these bags look because for me, the leather lid keeps my bike feeling just a little more traditional. The classic shape and construction gives your motorcycle that distinct T-Sport look. The rugged ballistic nylon shell and leather lid not only flaunt traditional styling, but are strong and well designed to hold your stuff. You start off with a generous volume of around 1100 to 1200 cubic inches in the collapsed form, but if needed, the expandable feature provides roughly 350 more cubic inches of space. A limiter prevents your belongings from spilling out when the bag is opened, and removable waterproof dry bag liners are included to help keep everything dry inside. The external zipper pocket is a convenient place to store smaller items. The internal structure is also designed to prevent sagging, so the bag will maintain its original shape. The durable materials resist fading from UV exposure, which keeps your bags looking great. Our new 2-point mounting system makes it so easy to attach and remove these bags, and when unequipped, the rear fender of your bike will still have that clean look. But don't worry, tampering and unwanted removal is prevented with the internal locking mechanism that secures the bag to your motorcycle. These saddlebags are compatible with existing Holdfast racks, backrests, and other components and can be mounted on the Lowrider, Sport Glide, Street Bob, Fat Bob, and many other Harley-Davidson models. Just remember, you'll need to purchase the appropriate docking kit for your motorcycle. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.